is the second video. So guys, today is the second video where I am showing how to activate the Microsoft Office 2019 that is provided by the Acer company in the Acer Predator Helios 300 2020 model. As I have activated the Windows at 19th October, when I type here as Word and then hit enter, there the message comes before activation that you have a free trial of 7 days. On 25th of October, the Word and the other Microsoft Office apps will be closed and some of the features we cannot use. So how to activate it at free of cost? So let's show how to activate the Microsoft Office 2019. This is the activator file which can activate the Microsoft Office 2019 that is provided by this Acer company in this Predator laptop. So I will provide this activator file in the description by the Google Drive link. From where you can download it, and then in the desktop you have to run as administrator. Click on it and then select yes. You have to open the internet connection because it only activate your Microsoft Office 2019. Here it is showing that it is activating the Office 2019. So just wait for a while. So please, so the product is activated successfully. So you have to enable the internet connection. It only activate the Microsoft Office. Here you hit no, and so your Microsoft Office 2019 has fully activated. Now you just type Word, and here it is not saying anything. You have activated all the such features that is enabled for this 2019 Microsoft Office like Word or Excel or anything. So by this way you can easily activate the Microsoft Office 2019 at free of cost. Let me show that if you download like this OpenShot video editor software, so that is needed for any video editing. It is free of cost and it is very easy to download also. I will also provide the link to download the OpenShot video editor in the description. You can manually control your graphics card to choose which software you install in your laptop to control. Like go to the NVIDIA control panel. Here click on 3D settings, then manage 3D settings. From here you have to go to the program settings. Always check here. Here you can find some programs or some softwares you need to access through your graphics card, or you can control the graphics card via this softwares also. Like I have taken the OpenShot video editor, and where you can also add some other programs that you need to proceed by your graphics card also. By this way you can hit any software that you need to run through the NVIDIA RTX 2060 and then add select program. By this way you can add any software. After that you have to go to this section where you have to choose which performance of the graphics card you need. Here are the integrated graphics card. Integrated graphics card are less powerful as they draw less amount of battery. So when your performance not needed too much, you can choose it for the integrated graphics card also. But if you want that you need the powerful RTX 2060 graphics card, then you can choose higher performance NVIDIA processor, then hit on apply on that selected software which you need. And if you not found in the list, you can simply add in the add button and pick any software that is needed. After that, add select program. So, and then select your graphics card which you need to be applied. Then hit enter or apply, and I like choose the OpenShot video editor. So this will always opens with the NVIDIA RTX 2060 processor, the high performance processor, but it will draw much amount of battery current. So in this way you can choose which graphics card you need to run any software that you need. So it is very easy. And if you download the OBS Studio, it is very useful software for screen recording or streaming also. At the first moment, the OBS Studio does not record your screen. For that reason, I have also faced the same problem. So for that reason, you have to go to the settings. Here you have to type graphics settings. Here you have to choose which app you need for your graphics card. Like that, I have choose the OBS Studio. So I will show you how to choose it. First, go to that folder where you install the OBS Studio. Then go to the bin. Then 64-bit, as this laptop is 64-bit architecture processor. Then in 64-bit, double click on it and then click on the OBS application and then hit enter. It will now easily record your screen at a very easy. So by that way you can also make it as a power saving mode or any other, like at the higher performance and any other. By this way the OBS Studio can record your screen. And here are the procedure. You can control your brightness, but not going from the settings. You can also control the brightness by going in the notification tab, and here you can also control the brightness. So it is very easy to control it from here, not to going by the display settings and then control the brightness also. And also by the advanced display settings, you can find out that whether your monitor or the laptop monitor is in the full refresh rate configuration as it is 144 Hz, and if it is not, you can go to the monitor and from here you can select according to which refresh rate you are choosing. I like to choose the 144 Hz, then click on apply and then OK. So if it is in 60 Hz, then by this way you can go to the monitor and from here you can select the 144 Hz and then hit on apply and then OK. So by this way you can find that the Intel are the integrated graphics card configurations also. From here you can see that the dedicated VRAM is 128 MB for this integrated graphics card. So by this way you can control your screen refresh rate also and the brightness also by this notification tab. Let me show that how can you check your battery life in the peripheral laptop. So first you need to search for command prompt and right click on it and run as administrator. And from here you have to write the command power cfg space / battery report. So this is the command. You have to run the command prompt as the administrator mode and then write this command power cfg space / battery report and then hit enter. So the battery life report has been saved to the file path C Windows System 32 battery report HTML. You just copy the path and Ctrl C press, then minimize it and then navigate any browser which you want and then paste the path by Ctrl V and hit enter. This will show the battery report of your laptop. This can be done in any laptop or any company's laptop. So this is the ACR Predator. The model number is that, the BIOS, the OS build and the others, the reporting time. Here you can find the name of the battery, the lithium ion battery, the capacity and the full charge capacity and the power uses statics. You can find out the starting time, the activated, the AC power supply and the capacity remaining. From where in day to day you can find the battery drainage like AC or in the battery configuration you can find out very easily. Also here is the stats where you can see the battery drains over the last 3 days. There will show the graph. As I have not used the battery, I always connect the adapter in charging mode, so there is no graph showing. But if you are using in on battery mode, then you can show there is the graph drawn. And here is the usage history. As I have not used the battery in mode, so there is no such list or field. And the battery capacity history you can find out very easily. So that will show the battery health in condition. If the full charge capacity and the design capacity difference is very large, then the battery is very poor condition. So you have to replace the battery as it is a very brand new laptop. So the battery capacity is very well at the first initial stage, but after some days using it decreases its full charge capacity. Here is the battery life estimation by which you can find out so at how much time the battery life can be intimated for your uses. So by this way you can find out your battery system of your own laptop very easily. So I will provide this command in the description. Just hit the command prompt as administrator and copy paste the power CFG and then copy the file path by this way and then Ctrl C to copy and then go to any browser and paste it by Ctrl V and you can find out the battery report very easily. So by this way you can find out the battery health of your laptop system. So it is very easy to do.